Hi, how are you doing today? We're going to draw a flag today, and this is the flag of England. As you know that the flag is of rectangular shape, so I have previously drawn the rectangle here, and it has a red cross in the middle. Let's draw the cross here. All right. As you know that each flag has its own characteristics, so actually it consists of few symbols and few definitions. The flag of each country is different from one another. In most of the cases, the flag defines many things. The flag's colors means many things. All right. And most of the cases, the flags are of rectangular color, and usually the national flags are very popular. Sometimes we see the state flags or the regional flags or some international organizations flags. Those are the special flags, but country flags you can see here. This is the genuine regular flags. Now we're going to draw the red color to the outlines at the borders just to make it looking more beautiful. All right, the flag of England. This is the main flag of UK, which is called the United Kingdom. All right. This is the last part of this flag I'm going to fill up. All right, so it all looks nice. You can see the presentation. Okay. So this is it. Nice flag of England. All right, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. You can also browse through the playlist, and you can have lots of categories in different sections. Flag is one of the many sections I've drawn, and we also have lots of drawings out there. You can check it out. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.